Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So when I first started my channel, I did a couple of different videos. I did a no makeup look, and I did my natural makeup look. I don't remember what they were called, doesn't matter. But recently I've been getting a lot of questions about what are some easy steps to look put together when you're like trying to get out the door quick and you don't maybe have a lot of products on hand. So this will be some quick steps that you can take to look put together on your way out the door. So you're only gonna need a handful of products. I've already moisturized my face and all of that stuff. I'm not gonna go in with primer or anything crazy. This isn't something that you're looking to have last all day. This is like, I'm going out to run a couple errands and I just wanna look like I did something. So I'm gonna go in first with my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. And I'm not using a lot of foundation for this look. I'm literally just evening out my skin tone. So I sort of do a stripe down my nose, I do a stripe on my cheek, other cheek, chin, boom. Close that up. And then I just grab, right now I'm using the Luxie 532 Round Top Blender. And I just give that kind of a pat into the skin all over. This foundation smells like actual paint, but it blends so quick, so easy, and is never streaky or anything like that. So it's a really quick and easy foundation to just like throw on. You don't need a lot. It just kind of evens out your skin tone. My skin's pretty good right now, so I don't need a ton of coverage. I just need to run to the grocery store and to get dog food, so this is the most I would want to do for that. So I've just quickly blended that in with my brush, and right now I'm using the Born This Way Sculpting Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Almond. This is a super high coverage concealer, so I'm literally just going to do a dot there, and I got a little blemish there and there. That's it. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of like sculpting the face and drawing the triangle and doing the whole thing. I'm just going to literally cover up these couple of blemishes. I just pat it in with my finger. And then I just take my concealer brush and kind of go over it really quick so there's no streakiness. Same thing under the eyes. I kind of spread it around with my finger. And then I just take my brush and blend it in the rest of the way. I've been in love with this concealer. I've been using the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Corrector for so long that it was like an adjustment to use something different, but I'm really enjoying this one, and I feel like it's gonna last a really long time because it's such a big bottle. And then I just kind of take whatever's left on the brush and I just kind of go over my eyelids just to cancel out any like little veins or anything like that. Okay, then I'm trying to do this as quick as possible because I want you guys to see that you can do this so fast. I'm just going to grab my Milani Even Touch Powder Foundation in Golden Beige, and I literally just dust the T-zone and anywhere that I've used the concealer. So I really just wanted to set under the eyes and the T-zone. Then I'm just grabbing my Essence Make Me Brow eyebrow gel, and this is in the color Blondy Brow, and I'm just defining the brows with that. I'm not filling them in. I really feel like when I fill my brows in without doing a bunch of eyeshadow and stuff, it looks so bizarre. This looks so much more natural, and it just makes it, see the difference between the two? Just looks like I have a little more eyebrow. And it keeps them in place because mine tend to go a little squirrely throughout the day. There, so that's brows. Then I'm just gonna grab my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm using the color Light. And I'm gonna take a small sort of angled blush brush, and I'm just gonna warm up the skin ever so slightly, just to give myself a little bit of warmth, because it's February in Canada and I'm looking like a corpse. So I just kind of do along the hairline. So you can see that really just adds a little bit of definition to the face. And then using that same product, so using my same bronzer, I told you guys this was going to be very few products involved. I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that bronzer, and I'm going to run that right into the crease, just to give the eyes a little bit of definition. What is that over there? No big deal. I think it was a bristle from my brush. So I just put a little bit of that in the crease, gives it a little bit of definition. Boom. Slap a little mascara on. I'm trying to fall in love with this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So far I hate it. But I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I'm giving it a shot because so many people say it's their favorite. So normally when I'm going to work, I'll use like 3 coats of mascara. Today I'm just going to do a light coating. One thing I will say about this mascara is that it gives you really nice separation of the lashes. What I hate about it is that it goes all underneath my eyes throughout the day. So I'm trying it just on the top lashes today, see if that makes any difference. Then, rather than doing like blush, highlight, all these other things, I'm going to take a glowy blush. This is the Milani Baked Bellini. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to run it high on the cheeks. So we're kind of hitting the areas you'd like to see a highlight with the blush. So we're kind of doing like a 2-in-1 step just to make it really quick and easy so you can get right out the door. And sometimes I'll put a little up here just for a little bit of glow. That's it. A little bit of lips. Now this is where you could make it as much or as little as you want depending on what you're doing. I'm just going to the grocery store, so I'm going to pick something natural, but if you were going somewhere, if this was like a quick look and you've got to go maybe have lunch with somebody, something like that, you could throw on a red lip and it would really look like you'd done something. I'm just going to throw on the Milani lipstick in Pretty Natural. So that's it. You've got a little quick face ready to go. Very few products. We used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, which I was gonna try and do it in 5, but I was like, you really need a mascara and a lip, so 7 products and you're out the door. Quick and easy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!